Question 29. An organic compound A has 76.6% carbon and 6.38% hydrogen. Its vapor density is 47. It gives characteristic color with aqueous FeCl3 solution. A, when heated with CO2 and NaOH at 140 degrees centigrade under pressure, gives B, which on being acidified gives C. C reacts with acetyl chloride to give D, which is a well-known painkiller. Identify A, B, C and D. First of all, the vapor density is given as 47. Therefore, the molecular weight will be equal to 2 into vapor density, which is equal to 94. Now, moles of carbon can be obtained by dividing the percentage of carbon by its atomic weight. So, moles of carbon is 6.38. Similarly, moles of hydrogen is 6.38. अब percentage of oxygen निकाल लेंगे which is equal to 100 minus percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen which is equal to 18.02%. अब moles of oxygen निकालने के लिए percentage of oxygen को divide कर देंगे atomic mass of oxygen से. Moles of oxygen is equal to 1.12. अब ratio of the moles of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is 6.38 is to 6.38 is to 1.12. अब इन सबको डिवाइड कर देंगे 1.12 से. सो वी गेट अ सिंपल रेशियो दैट इज 6:6:1. तो इसका इंपिरिकल फॉर्मूला जो हो जाएगा ए का वो होगा C6H6O. नाउ इंपिरिकल फॉर्मूला वेट निकाल लेंगे. इंपिरिकल फॉर्मूला वेट इज इक्वल टू 94. सो मॉलिक्यूलर वेट और इंपिरिकल फॉर्मूला वेट दोनों ही इक्वल हैं. देयरफॉर मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला और इंपिरिकल फॉर्मूला भी सेम होंगे. तो इस कंपाउंड का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला भी हो जाएगा C6H6O. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, दिस कंपाउंड गिव्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कलर विद FeCl3 solution, which means this compound is either a phenol or a salicylic acid. अब इस कंपाउंड का जो मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला है that corresponds to the formula of phenol. Therefore, compound A is phenol. And later on, when it is heated with carbon dioxide and NaOH, then it forms sodium salt of salicylic acid. So B is the sodium salt of salicylic acid, which on being acidified changes to salicylic acid or 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, which is C. Now on treatment with acetyl chloride, it leads to the formation of the compound D, which is acetyl salicylic acid, and is also a well-known painkiller known by the name aspirin.